My name's Kathryn Robson. I'm the Director for Learner and Staff Services at the College. I have responsibility for all services associated with the recruitment and deployment of staff, and also all support arrangements and services for learners as well. And as a director and as a member of the senior management team, I'm very, very pleased and privileged to be in a position whereby I can promote the Welsh language through my role here at the college. And there has been a lot of work that has been done to enhance bilingualism within the workplace and within the learning setting. And that has been further promoted now following Lisa's appointment as the bilingual champion, and that was in June 2012. Lisa has made great strides to promote and to engage staff and learners in the bilingual ethos within the college, and that has developed considerably since her appointment. And to support her in her work, the senior management team have done a number of things. They continue to endorse and support the Welsh language ethos. We have a number of Welsh speakers within the college. We have a good range of Welsh language skills within the senior management team. And what we do as well as part of our recruitment process in order to increase further the bilingual skills within the college, we undertake a bilingual skills assessment for all posts that we recruit to. So if it's a frontline service position, we most certainly endeavour to put a fluent Welsh speaker in those posts, because it's very important that we provide that service to anybody who makes an inquiry to the college. Our reception team are Welsh learners, and they have made a huge amount of progress to develop their Welsh language skills. In addition to that, we have recently appointed a bilingual champion who supports again the work of Lisa and works within our staff development department to promote bilingual skills and bilingual delivery within the staff development. And I'm really pleased to be able to say that in our recent staff institutional planning days and staff development days, we have now been in a position to provide workshops entirely through the medium of Welsh, which is a really significant development for the college. In addition to that, our bilingual champion within staff development sits on the Staff Voice Forum, and again she is there to ensure that when we are consulting with staff, when we are communicating, when we are attempting to gauge views on certain aspects of college life and college business, that there is an opportunity for staff to be able to communicate through the medium of Welsh through our Staff Voice rep. We've also developed a role called the Learner Experience Officer, and her role is predominantly working with learners to promote opportunities for activities within the college, which are hugely ranging from sort of football, rugby, netball, through to chess clubs and lots and lots of different activities. And our Learner Experience Officer has a very good command of the Welsh language and is able to converse through the medium of Welsh. She is also a very keen member of the newly established college choir. The college choir is into its second year, and she's helped to support the choir in being able to perform a Welsh song. So I'm very pleased to be in a position where I can report on lots and lots of activities within the college that have most definitely enhanced and promoted bilingualism and supported the growth of the Welsh language ethos within the college.